Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to start a new chapter, metals and non-metals. So I have already explained half of the chapter, then the properties of metal and the properties of non-metal and the metalloid and the noble gas. This type of information already given to you. Today I am remaining portion. I am going to start the remaining portion. That's the first topic, uses of common metals. So different metals we are using every day in our life. So that metals, how they help to us. So they are helping to us in different ways. Okay, so I will explain to you some of the common metal and their uses. Okay, listen carefully. The first metal, copper. What's the chemical formula? What's the formula of that copper? Cu. Okay. So the copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Why we are telling that the copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity? It's a very cheaply available and it's very good conductor of heat and electricity. Means it will be conduct the heat and electricity. That's why we are using in for that electrical transmission wires and some other uses. Let's see what is the main uses of copper. The copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, so it is mainly using for that electrical transmission wire, electrical transmission wires, and electric motors, and some generators. Generators are also used with the help of copper. Okay. Next one, the copper is used for making utensils and the coins and the jewelry. Copper jewelry is also we are used in the help of copper. Okay. And next one, so this copper is always used in that electroplating. What is electroplating? The copper is applying over the metals, some other metals. Means like a painting like that. So for improving the capacity of other metals, so we need this type of metals. The copper is applied over other metal. That process called electroplating. Okay. So and some pipes and for making the pipe. Okay. The pipes are for plumbing. The plumbing work is also done in our home in different areas, different places. So some of the places we are using the copper pipe. Copper pipe. Okay. These are the main uses of copper. The copper is one of the best metal. And second one, iron. What is the chemical formula of iron? Fe. Chemical formula of iron? Fe. Okay. So this metal is the cheapest metal. Cheapest metal is very available, and this metal is using in different fields and different places, and is very useful for the human beings. Okay. I will explain to you what is the main uses of the iron. First one, according to that metal, that according to the percentage of the carbon or according to the percentage of other metals or non-metals, the increase in the capacity of iron. If we want to increase the capacity of the metals, we want to add metals or non-metals. According to this way, next one, iron. So according to that mixing of different metals and non-metals, that the capacity of the iron become increased. So the mixing of metal with the other metal or other non-metal, that is called alloy. It's called alloy. Now I am going to explain that iron and the different types of iron and their uses. Okay. The first one, the three types of iron. The first one, wrought iron. So the wrought iron means that iron contain the only 0.1 percentage of carbon. Only 0.0, so 0.1 percentage of carbon. So that iron is called wrought iron. So this iron is a soft nature and a ductile nature. Okay. So and what is the use of the wrought iron means mainly this help to making the roof tin roofings. tin roofings and railings, grills, electromagnet, and nails and bolts and furniture and gates. These are the main uses of the wrought iron. Okay. And second one, pig iron. And one more name of this one, pig iron, is cast iron. So this iron contains 2 to 4 percent, 2 to 4 percentage carbon. Wrought pig iron means that iron contains 2 to 4 percentage carbon. Okay. And what is the use of this carbon? This iron. So this iron is mainly used for drain pipes, manhole lids, sanitary fittings, and the immovable part of the machinery. Immovable part of the machinery. For manufacturing of this type of the materials, we are using the pig iron. Okay, comparatively strong. And steel. So steel contain up to 2% of the carbon. Steel contain up to 2% carbon. So I hope all of you know what is the use of steel in our life. Okay, I will give you few examples more. It's mainly used making rails, bridges, and buildings, ship, machine parts, automobiles, and utensils. These are the main uses of iron. Iron means steel. Okay. So once again, iron is the cheapest metal, and this iron is classified into three categories according to their carbon content. The first one, wrought iron; second one, pig iron; third one, steel. These are the main iron. Okay. So it's based on the carbon, based on the amount of carbon. Next one, aluminium. Aluminium is a silvery white metal. Aluminium is one of the familiar metal everywhere. And the home also, in that school, in that some other buildings, everywhere we are using that aluminium. Aluminium is what is the appearance of the aluminium? It's a silvery white metal. It's a good conductor of conductor of heat and electricity, and it's most important one. It's a malleable and ductile character also. What is the malleable and ductile character? I am already explained to you in the previous my class. Ductile and malleable character, and this is also wide range of the uses in our life. So the first one, the aluminum is used for making cooking utensils, aluminum utensils, and food packaging foil, and the furniture and doors and windows also used in the help of aluminum. And next one, aluminum is also used for making electrical transmission lines for power distribution, and the aluminum is used for making the bodies of aircraft, automobiles, and the machine parts different type of uses in the help of aluminum. Okay, so this is one of the very important metal, and it's also helping us for different ways. And the aluminum is also very good reflector. Therefore, it is used for making concave mirrors for astronomical telescope. This is also one other uses of aluminum. Okay, and the other metal, zinc. Other metal, zinc. Okay, let's see what is the use of zinc. Zinc is the bluish white metal. What is the color of zinc? Bluish white metal. It is brittle in nature. What is the word meaning brittle? The easy to broken into small pieces. That is called brittle nature. Okay. And next one, the main uses of zinc. Zinc is used to galvanize iron sheets to prevent them from the corrosion. What's the galvanization? That means the symbol that zinc. Okay. So the zinc is applying over the iron like a electroplating method. It is called galvanization. It will be protect that direct contact with the air and the moisture. That's why prevent that corrosion, prevent the rust. Okay. And next one, it is used for making alloys such as brass and German silver. Alloy, that zinc is also helpful to us for making alloy like brass and German silver. Okay, third one, it is used for making the negative electrodes of dry cells. Negative electrodes of dry cell. And zinc is used in that die casting in the automobile industry. And the zinc powder or scrap zinc displaces metals such as gold and silver from their salt solution, as zinc is a more reactive than gold and silver. Some other separative methods, for example, silver suppression and gold suppression, we are using is the zinc is act as a catalyst. What's the catalyst? So it is not involved in the chemical reaction, but it's help for the chemical reaction. Okay. So these are the main uses of zinc. So now I am already given a few uses of common metals. The first one copper, second one iron, third one aluminium, and the fourth one zinc. All of you learn this metals and their uses. Okay, thank you.